This is the practice test for percents, and here we're working on problem number 5. And the problem says, what number is 40% of 840? And so whenever we're faced with one of these percent problems, the first question is, what are we looking for? Are we looking for the part, the percent, or the total? We know that we are not looking for the percent because we have the percent given to us in the problem. And then an important clue is that whenever we see the words percent of in the problem, that's followed by the total. So here we see percent of, and that's followed by the total, which is 840. So we have the percent, we have the total, and that means that we must be looking for the part. And so if you look on the formula sheet that was handed out in class, the formula for the part is the percent times the total. So we would multiply 40% times 840, and we would get 336. Now when you do it this way, you would have to use the percent key on your calculator as you enter it, just like this. If you didn't use the percent key, you would have to change this to a decimal number. 0.4 times 840 would give you 336 as well. So the answer is letter A.